So this is the image I generated with a prompt, and this is after adding motion to it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add motion to your images so that it will make it more realistic for your folktale stories. So guys, this is the website we'll be using to convert our images to video, right? Once you enter this website, it is called linkai.com. So just type it, go to your browser and type linkai.com. So once you're here, you're going to click on this video. So from here, you can actually select the image that you want to use. Okay, so click here to select image. And if you go down, you'll see prompts. Those prompts that you use to generate that your image. So you're going to paste it here. Any image you paste here, use that exact prompt that you use to generate the image and then paste it on this prompts option. If you go down, you'll see motion brush. This is for, I think it's unsupported for mobile. I'm using mobile. So you can see your settings. They have standard mode, professional mode. I think the professional mode is for paid version of it. So if you want to use professional mode, you have to upgrade. So if you go down, you'll see negative prompts. It's optional though. These ones are those things that you don't want to see. Things like maybe you don't want to see blur, you don't want it to be blurry, you don't want to see low quality, you don't want to see illustrations, abstract and all of that. So anything you don't want to see in that video, just type it in here. So for you to convert the image, we're going to start right now. So we are clicking here to select the image that we want to use. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down to select one of the African folktale image that I have. So I have this so like I said, any image that you input there, you have to use the exact prompt that you use to generate that image to paste there. So if you look at here, this is the prompt for that particular image that is there now. So I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to paste it on this prompt. So did you see that? So once you're done, then click here to start your creation. Okay, the side I don't like about this is the fact that it will take time. Okay, it takes a lot of time to generate these videos, you know. But like they said here, they said upgrade for exclusive generation access as fast as streaming. So that means if you upgrade, it will be faster. But if you are not, you know, if you didn't upgrade, it's going to take a whole lot of time. So if you want to generate, I'm just being sincere, most people will not show you this part, but if you want to have that patience to do it, you can actually have the patience to do it, or you can invest, okay, and then make payments, upgrade your plan so that you can be able to generate images faster. You can also use Halio AI to generate, but I think I'm more comfortable with this somehow, even though this one takes time to generate. Or you can just add animation to your videos, right? So it's gonna take time. See what they wrote here. The other one I created took me like 20 minutes, but this one they wrote 51 minutes. So I don't know. You have to leave it to be doing other things that you're doing, and later you can come back to check on it. So that is it for now. And this is the outcome. Look at that lamp effect. This is so nice. So in the same way I created the other ones, right? So I created like 3 of them. But I'm just thinking, what if you someone has like maybe 30 images to to turn to video? Is this the process you're gonna be waiting for? Like this really takes time. At some point it can be somehow frustrating, but if you can have the patience, the result is always nice. So if you can have the patience, it will be okay for you to wait. Or you can try Halio AI. If you cannot do that one, you can also try animate. You can animate with Meta AI, or you can just animate with your maybe CapCut while trying to edit your videos. So this is the process that I went through. I waited, and yeah, I waited for a long time. I had the patience to wait to create the videos, and this is the outcome. So if it is something you can wait for, it will be good. If you can't wait for it, you have other options. You can animate like I said, or use Halio to do yours. So whichever one you want to do, that's fine. If this video was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. I'll be glad to attend to your questions.